morning, guys. So next beautiful day in Koh Tao, but it's the last day because right now we are in Songtherm Pier and we are going to leave to Koh Phangan, where we will stay for 1 week. So I'm very excited, but it's very sad to leave this beautiful island. Look at this behind me. This one, Koh Tao, it was the most beautiful island I ever seen in Thailand. It was so amazing. You have here very good snorkeling places. You can see here sharks, maybe also some whale sharks. I seen it like propagation, but I never seen them in the real life here in Koh Tao. The scenery here in Koh Tao is very beautiful. You have lots of palm trees, you have big stones, so it's very beautiful. You have nice beaches. It's very small island. You can get around all the island in 1 day on motorbike, and you can rent here motorbike for just like 150 baht for 1 day, so it's very good price. We booked the boat ticket in our hotel for 350 baht per person. It should take 1.5 hours, so see you later on. Right now we are on the way to Tan Sadet waterfalls in Koh Phangan, and we can hear already the waterfall. And in the morning it was a little bit raining, so I hope from now on the weather will be very good. And let's see what's there. So we don't know where to go. It should look here like in Kawasan Falls in Philippines, but this is where we can get. I'm going to explore it with a drone from above, so maybe I can see where we should go. We didn't found anything interesting also with the drone, so we are moving somewhere else. We will go to some beach, so see you there. We just came to Battle Beach number 1 because you have 2 battle beaches. You have one which is like bungalows and like this, and then the second one is with restaurant and some viewpoint. We will go also to the second one, but right now we are on the first Battle Beach. And I have to say it's very beautiful. Look at this, very nice water, very beautiful. You can play here also volleyball behind me, and you have beautiful palm trees on the beach. It's very nice. You have many restaurants. We are going to swim, so see you later. I just found out that Battle Beach 1 and Battle Beach 2 is actually the same beach, but you have different roads, so doesn't matter which one you will choose, you will end up on this Battle Beach. It's the same, it's just split in the half, so it doesn't matter which road you will choose. We just stopped here from the way from Battle Beach because we just saw this tree, and it's actually the biggest, the tallest tree in all the Koh Phangan, and people are coming here to see this. It's like some kind of tour or something. So if you want to see the biggest tree on this island, you can come and see this. So we continue our way to next beach. We just stopped in Hadrin Beach, and I think this is very beautiful beach. I didn't expect it because I know here are happening all the parties, full moon parties on Koh Phangan, but if it will be not so touristic, it will be very nice. right now we are on Lila Beach, and it's just exactly the opposite of Hadrin Beach, and it's also very beautiful. It's not so huge, it's not so big, but still very nice. You have some resorts here, so you can stay here, and it's very nice. You can watch the sunset here. So we will watch the sunset and then we will go to rest, relax, to eat some dinner. So see you tomorrow.